What's going on, guys? With all these new trucks coming into the channel, the off-roading lifestyle, and all those things that we've been putting time into, honestly, a whole new appreciation and love for these beasts has grown in my heart, and I adore them. But I think I've given you guys enough, and more than enough of that, so don't worry about it. We're gonna switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna get Farghini. We're gonna get in the 720, in the 730S. What am I saying? In the 730S in the McLaren, and we're gonna go to McKenna because let me just show you guys. Before we go, let me say goodbye to my sweet Tata. Tata, come here, princess. Come on. Come here, princess. What's going on? Bye, Tata. She's such a grown-up. She slept outside for the first time last night in her little thing there. That's her little nest. I love you and miss you. You're very sweet, and I need to trim your nails because goddamn, she's cutting me everywhere. It's kind of bittersweet that she slept outside last night because it's awesome that she's being independent and she wants to stay out and she's acknowledging, I'm a squirrel, I should be out here. But it's sad, as you know, someone that just saw her when she couldn't even see, she couldn't even hear, she couldn't even move without me, and now she's all like grown up and independent and all these other squirrels are coming to visit her. It's all good, it's part of the process, but I love her so much. Farghini just pointed it out that I have two big cuts. I was saying that I need to trim Tata's nails because they're getting to me.
If the cops came and saw this today, they would arrest both of you for domestic violence.
Oh no. Oh no. And now Farghini to the most interesting game of them all.
Will it start?
Will it start? It actually should. And all of the batteries should show, this is not a good sign actually. Oh no, it is. It's coming out. It should say 45.
It just has to wake up a little.
It just has to wake up. Hang on a second. Give me the 45-day battery, and then we should have no problem. 40 days. Okay, that's still very good.
Okay.
That's still, and we have gas, which is the best thing about this.
So let me wait. Cold start.
Oh, hang on. Let me give you this, but let me explain to everyone what this is because people were asking me how come there's a cable going into the car. I know for most of us, we know what a trickle charger is, right, Farghini? But for those of you guys who don't know, all of these cars, and especially this one, if you don't put them on a charger, they die.
Yeah, because there's so many electrical components that are actually drawing them.
Yeah, they're draining the battery as it's just sitting here. So if you leave this for 2 weeks, the battery will completely die. The Mercedes is actually not bad at all, and the Lambo hasn't been bad. But this is one of the.
I'm assuming this is the most advanced of the cars here.
Of course it is. Of course it is. Well, you hear the fuel pump, right? So let me show everyone. We'll open the trunk. This is the LT key. I don't know why.
Ah!
The black one.
That's so funny.
Talk to the genius at work over here.
you got the. Yeah.
Open the front. Oh look, the right remote does work. So it goes here. The one thing that McLaren did, which was so awesome, they made an adapter right here for this, and it's just like this.
Oh, no other car is that easy, right?
I don't know if the new ones are getting like this, but the ones I have, no. This is the easiest one I have.
Yeah, and also the trickle, just like the name says trickle, it's just a little
battery, just making sure it doesn't drain. Yeah, and charging at the same time if it is. You want to do a cold start, cold brew?
Yes, let's do it.
It's gonna be loud and it's gonna spit things your way because I haven't turned it on and on.
Why would you tell me that? Why wouldn't you just let it happen?
Because I care about you first.
Well, but the comedy comes first. Off! Okay, shall we go?
Let's
go. He's admiring us and we're admiring
him. Well, you are admiring him.
I'm admiring him because he has a V6, supercharged V6.
Oh, it's a V6 supercharged?
Yeah.
You need to get it, Farghini.
So I want to talk about this rumor everyone's talking about. So everyone's saying there's like a 7, 8, 10 liter like V8 coming in the Raptor next year. Does anyone have any authoritative information on this?
I've heard from legit people.
Yeah, we've heard from like a legit. We heard from the most legit source.
Yeah,
that you can hear,
and that it's not gonna come out with a V8. Also, what would be the logic of let me get rid of the V8, do EcoBoost,
to downsize,
stick to my fucking guns on the Ford GT and all of my lineup, to just go, nah, you know what? Let me throw a V8 on it.
Yeah, and also why
why is the
V8 such a high displacement V8? Like, if you're downsizing, why are we going 7?
And also, liters? Why do people want it? I'm getting a lot of messages from Raptor owners that have the V8s.
Yeah.
I'm like, I've driven the V8 and like, obviously the EcoBoost, I have one of those, and the F-150, and a modded F-150.
Yeah.
While the V8 does sound way better, you agree?
Yeah, of course.
It doesn't pull harder than these other cars.
No, and also the EcoBoost has like 50-something horsepower more. Something crazy number more.
No, it pushes way better too.
Yeah.
Altogether, the EcoBoost engine is way better than the V8. Aside from the sound, I get it, and how torquey it feels.
Yeah.
but the push on the other one and the blow-up valve is my shit.
Yeah.
I like the
It's just
eco
people have this connection with trucks and V8s. That's it. It's
Yeah, and like we did with the cars with the bigger engines and everything, but this 4.0 V8
is
turbo
the most. Yeah.
it's delicious. There's no other way of putting it.
There he is.
There's your dream driving away. Okay, we're here at McKenna now, and okay, I gotta tell you guys the truth. Do you know why we're here, Farghini?
I actually don't. And I just asked you, what are we doing? What's the game plan?
Believe it or not, remember that I canceled my GT3 order? They made the car, it's a manual, it's acid green, and it came. Just so you'll know, this is the first time I've ever gotten PTS, and it's the only order I've ever canceled. I don't know what that means. I don't know if this is good for the future or this is bad for the future. I have no idea. What do you think?
Let's go see the car. Is there a chance you'll take it?
No, I'm actually, I honestly, I'm not gonna take the car. I really wanna get that Chiron and the Senna, so.
Just wait to see what happens later.
There she is. And it looks completely different on camera. Look, Farghini.
Oh, look at yellow on camera.
It looks yellowish, but it's like acid green.
Oh, what weird trim is that?
It's
paper trim? What is it? It's weird, dude.
I can't show you the interior.
I know they want to go lightweight, but that's really lightweight.
They came with a white version. Isn't it beautiful?
This is stunning.
Ooh.
Here, do you want to show?
Ooh. So, I don't know, again, I didn't order the car, so I was gonna order it. I said I wanted it this color, so I didn't go through all the options, so therefore that's why the carbon's missing everywhere here. But goddamn, this is beautiful. I'm gonna sit here. Ooh, and the bucket seats are everything. Because that's all I care about. If I get bucket seats, a manual transmission, and the color, that's all I wanted, and that. This is pretty good. The price is 180 something compared to the first GT3 that I ever owned was 150. So they went up like 20 grand because the paint job here is 13 grand. In a matching
like
Farghini.
$600 something, $500 something.
Don't drop it, dude. They're gonna charge us for this.
What do you do? By the way, what do you do when you have to replace this? Like, it must be a fucking whole process, right?
What do you mean?
If you lost this and you had to get another one of these.
Can you imagine? Hang on. We broke that McLaren key.
Yeah.
The regular key.
Yeah.
It's been like 2 months and we haven't gotten the key.
Yeah.
And
don't
I didn't even.
Don't tell them how much it was.
I know. $2,000.
Oh man.
$2,000 for a brand new key from McLaren. Not only $2,000 for a brand new key from McLaren, but it's gonna take forever. And I don't remember ordering it gray like the color of my car. I don't know if they'll do that or not. But whatever.
Galpin can paint the key.
Maybe.
Should we start a new service? Should we start a new service? Tommy's like, what the fuck, guys? He's sitting here.
Hey, Galpin, I feel so bad for them with everything that we're gonna be doing with them this year. Tommy doesn't even know what he's getting into.
Oh yeah, he does not.
Oh, look at this, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful car. God damn. I can't. I want my Chiron and I want my Senna. See, Farghini, I can control myself.
You can or you can't.
I can actually control myself and not buy everything that I see.
But the day's not over yet.
Can we get out of here? Are you really not gonna recognize it?
Recognize what?
Didn't come out with a Porsche.
Oh, what? You know what in my mind I was thinking?
What?
I was like, well, the audience should know what happened because we're in the 720.
So, yes, I canceled the order. They're gonna send me an email to officially say, I don't want the car, so they're gonna sell it to someone else for sure. They're saying GT2 RS is gonna be a 1-year production. There's no limited. Last time they did that with the GT3 RSs, I believe they made 3,000 cars.
Yeah.
So they're gonna make about 3,000 of these.
Yeah.
Did you know that?
So is that good or bad?
It's terrible for those who already pre-purchased an allocation up front because they paid like 150 over and they could have just asked for a car and they would have gotten it. But either way.
What's the timing? What did he say about the timing?
Full delivery.
And everyone's got pushed back.
Everyone got pushed back. Everyone's getting the cars, GT2 RS is full delivery. So that's
except in Europe.
Except in Europe. Europe, everyone starts to get it because apparently Europe just gets the best shit ever up front before all of us.
But it's also Germany. It's right there. You can just go get it right there. It doesn't have to get on a boat and come here.
All right, fine. What do we do now?
Eat.
Okay, fine. Oh man, we just saw a guy yelling at a woman for like 30 minutes in the car while they were at a stoplight. I was legitimately just waiting for the for the dude to come out and like threaten the woman. I was just like gonna be a man.
And then we were gonna call 911.
For sure. But God, a lot of pointing and aggressive yelling and guys, don't be that guy. What are we doing now? So we're waiting for the F-150 to be ready because tomorrow.
Look at that truck right there.
Oh, with all the garbage?
Sorry. I'm just seeing all stuff we can do with trucks.
So We're waiting on the F-150 to be done right now. We're picking it up because tomorrow we're gonna go to the mountains and do some off-roading, like we said. That's why we took our class. So while we do that,
we'll find ourselves some trouble.
Sounds really good. You are fucking obsessed, dude.
But look at this. Look at that. That doesn't look badass to you. And this is like the highest spec one.
Yeah, it looks cool, but
No, we're gonna drive this one time.
Okay. Tommy, you did it. Thank you so much, dude. Look at this.
Black and gold.
You know,
Boom. And what? So on this one, you guys just installed these, right?
No, this came with the truck.
Those come with it?
This is not the way I want to install it permanently. I will do a hard mount for you, but for now, that will hold it for
Yeah,
the
this will be a good temp for the
Later on,
weekend.
we'll do an actual bracket from the bottom, so you can open it anytime you want.
Nice. And I can put anything there and no one can smell it, right?
Anything.
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 Do you mind just driving that one?
Yeah, of course.
So just, let's do this. You'll take this one, I'll take the 720S, and follow me, I have a surprise for you.
Okay. I'll be, by the way, for sure you should be in front of me because if you're behind me, I won't be able to see you, right?
Touche. It is true, that thing is fucking massive. Ooh, 720. 730. I keep fucking up this thing. God, this thing is gorgeous. You guys have to see where I'm taking Farghini. You guys have to. You gotta know what we're doing here, right?
Where is this?
Zoo Culture's right there. You know what Zoo Culture is?
No.
Bradley Martin's gym.
Why are we here?
Because you're gonna arm wrestle Brad, right?
Wait, today?
Right now.
He's really big.
Right now.
Okay,
Come on.
okay.
Come on.
How's the park job?
Great.
Okay,
Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Now this is gonna be the awkward thing. You know at the gym when you check in, how do we check in?
We're here to arm wrestle Bradley Martin. Let's see
Hi.
how that works. Hey, let's see how that works.
Okay.
Hi. I'm here to arm wrestle Bradley Martin.
He's expecting us to arm wrestle him.
Tell him Farghini's here. And tell him he looks mad.
Farghini. That's the life, dude.
Whoa, that's the most unique
Bulldog you've ever seen? Yeah, it's rare to
mixed
see
with
black
like a
ones.
beagle, right?
No. There's a few black bulldogs, but very few. They're so expensive. Yeah, he's such a cute pup.
Hey, maybe I shouldn't have told her to tell Bradley that. Because then he's gonna come here already angry.
This is on you. Oh, you came from the other side.
I was back. Sleeping in my tiny G-Wagon.
How are you?
I wish I had the truck.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Shut up.
I swear I was sleeping in a G-Wagon.
When are you gonna go pick it up?
I get to talk to him. We're gonna go do it this week though.
Nice.
I'm
Nice.
serious about this. I'm serious about this off-roading thing.
Are you really? We're gonna go off-roading together?
Yes. Yeah,
My
absolutely.
dude.
I'm excited.
Are you ready to be the Prince of Persia?
Yeah, straight out of the nap, I'll do it.
He's right there and he's terrified
out
of
now.
you. Just go say hello. That's Bradley's dog.
You doing this?
Oh, shit.
Are you?
Did you just grow from yesterday?
No, I just got done taking a nap.
Should we warm him up?
Yeah, I mean, he needs to get ready.
Farghini, what a walk.
You gotta
What a walk.
Flare it better.
Is he?
I feel like this.
I don't think he's ever been to a gym before. It's just based on that. And of course you're coming for the weights.
200s, the 200s are down there.
Farghini.
200s are on the bottom.
Get it going.
Oh, there we go.
Just warm up your hand. There you go. There you go. There you go. Give me 2 more. 1, 2. I think you're ready. You want to do some push-ups?
No,
Pull-ups?
we're good.
You're good?
Bradley, I ain't fucking around.
No mercy.
No, I ain't fucking around.
No mercy.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, I know this guy. I know this
guys
guy.
working
No. We're gonna arm wrestle. Get the fuck. Hey, Kevin.
Wait, arm
Kevin.
wrestling for real?
Kevin, get
Yeah.
the fuck out of here. Working out. I can't start working out here. I need to go to a gym for like 7 years before I do that. Yeah, to you.
It's all relative. It's all
To you.
relative.
This is gonna be it. You sure you don't want to warm up after your nap? So I just want to give you the best shot at this because he's very confident that he's gonna take you down.
Just not that. I don't give a shit. It doesn't even matter. We just get some stats.
That's a lot.
Like height, weight, just
Yeah.
on my mind.
What's your height?
Calculation.
About 6'3".
How much you weigh?
I think I'm like 250 right now.
250.
Yeah.
Farghini, let's go with your stats.
50.
6'4",
Yeah.
230.
So you're underweight.
Muscle, but not muscle.
You're
Unfortunately,
underweight.
No muscle. But
You're pretty.
nah.
You-
The jello kebabs I've had, and people will know what that means. I got this.
No one knows what that means. You're setting the rules now?
Just 2. We'll do 2 of them.
You're gonna do 2. 2 out of 3. Best 2 out of 3.
Yeah? Your nonchalantness is gonna come back at you, my friend. I would take this serious, brother.
So why are you arm wrestling him?
He challenged me.
So they know.
He's challenged me.
Because I've
That's
already
it.
I've already taken out one bodybuilder.
Get him! Get him! Oh! Hey, Farghini.
I don't look like much, but look.
No one. No, there's nothing there.
Hey. Muscle is muscle, my friend.
I don't know what that means, but okay, let's go.
Right, none of this weird, like, straight up.
Now he's focused.
Why is he so sharp?
You see him? Yep. Yeah, you're fucked. You're done.
Bro?
Let me compare arms. Yeah, Brad.
Oh, Hunter, you call it when you're ready.
Are you guys ready? It's gonna go and go. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, Jesus Christ! Let me know when you start, Farshad. Let me know when you start. Okay.
Now, we warmed up.
No, be serious. I can feel the the blood.
I bet you can feel the blood. It's all over your face.
Now I'm gonna
Dude,
try
you
hard.
push so hard, bro. Push so hard, you fucking rip your.
Now I'm gonna go really hard. You think I'm fucking around right now?
I thought you were.
Nah, we're going down.
Hey, did he sign a waiver?
The waiver's already included. Don't worry about it. By the way, whose purse is it on the background? Which one? Farshad? Brad? Which one? Okay. Sorry. Okay, ready? I just wanted to get your mind off of it. Are you guys ready? We're gonna go and go. 1, 2, 3, go! I think Farshad's gonna shit himself. Just kidding.
Now I'm gonna bench press you since you lost.
No, you're not.
Yeah, easy.
No, you can't.
You lost.
No, you can't. Can you bench press him?
How much you weigh?
Hang on. What? You're sweating like you just ran a marathon. Let me look at. Oh shit! This dude ain't even.
I honestly cannot feel my.
Yeah, of course. I saw.
What does this mean you're gonna bench press me? What does
How
it
can
mean?
you bench press this guy, dude?
You know, like a bench press bar, but with him.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I might have to touch him in a weird spot, but.
All right. Hey, good for you, Farshad. And I guess good for you, bro. Say that
he's
one more
stronger than
time.
I thought.
Yeah? Okay,
Yeah, very
good.
sensitive. Are you being serious? Or
No,
are
I'm
you
being
fucking-
serious.
You just made his year. Thank you, Brett.
I was
Thank you.
messing with him on my side, but
Yeah.
he was stronger than I thought.
Yeah.
Hey, look at it. He's looking about to cry right now. I swear, though. It's true.
Are you gonna get lifted or not? Whenever you're done crying, Farghini. There you go. Oh my God. Oh my God.
What you gotta do?
Do you want, hang on, do you want me to do it first?
Yeah,
do it
yeah,
do it with me so you can see.
You just go like this. I feel like you're doing it on purpose. I feel like that was his plan.
Oh my God. So just let go. He'll be able to carry you. Don't worry about it. Just drop on him. Just drop on him and put your leg straight. Put your leg straight, Farghini. Out. The other one? No. He can't. You can't. That's on him.